Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. Right off the bat, I'm gonna apologize about my probably shitty audio. Last week, my audio was just like popping all over the place. I've kind of situated my recorder. I set it up differently, so hopefully it's not catching my pops as harshly. It might sound a little more echoey though, which I guess in post I'll try to knock it down, but we'll see. If you guys have been following me for a while, you probably know that I used to have like good audio, but back before we moved, I accidentally dropped my really nice, expensive audio recorder and broke it. So I just was using my phone in the meantime until I could afford to get it fixed or until I got brave enough to try to fix it. And finally, my husband and I looked into it, and I think we got it to a place where I could use it. However, now I don't know where my little SD card is for it. It uses like a special, like one of those micro SD cards. So I have a micro SD card and then I plug it into like one that's like a normal size, and then I can use it in like a normal SD card, but I don't know where that went. And I don't have the time to go look for it right now, and I don't have the time to go buy one yet because I'm recording this the night before I put this video up. So unfortunately, the audio is pretty shitty. Hopefully, by the time my DIY video comes out this week, I'll have better audio. I'll go try to see if I can find another micro SD card that could work, or maybe find the one that is supposed to go into that thing. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, so for today's art video, I'm doing a few pieces. Actually, as I'm recording this, it's only 2 pieces, but I might end up drawing another one tonight, depending on how much time I have to work on it. I really wanted to do 3 pieces, but if there's only 2 pieces, then you know that it's because I ran out of time. So yeah, I participated in the hashtag drawthisinyourstyle challenge. It's been a pretty popular tag in the like art community, I guess, on social media. As far as I've seen, people will post a drawing that they've done or an OC or whatever, and then they encourage you to draw it in your style. And yeah, I've considered participating with a drawing for people to draw, but I don't know. If I do, I'll probably just look at my old pieces and pull one from that. I kind of have an idea of one I want to put out there. I think it would be fun. Stay tuned on my Instagram and Twitter if you want to also participate and draw whatever I put out. I think it would be really cool to see how you guys take my drawing and make it into your own. I did one of these on stream. I actually planned to do that one and the last one that I was saying that I might do tonight. I was going to do that one on stream as well, but by the time I got to a place where I could work on it, my iPad was at 15% battery, so there was no way I was going to be able to work on it and finish it. This first one is just the Procreate like auto speed drawing feature, and then the second one I actually have footage of it from the stream, so you can see me working on it, like zooming it in and zooming it out, doing all this stuff, seeing me choosing my tools and stuff. And then this last one, if I do it, then it's going to be another just Procreate auto video thing. If you guys want to participate in this hashtag, just go look it up on Twitter or Instagram, hashtag drawthisinyourstyle. So yeah, you should go check it out. Anyway, I'm going to let this finish out, and as always, I'll come back in the end to close the video out.
by little, you wear me down. Little by little, you wear me. You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys want to participate in this hashtag, go check it out. Hashtag drawthisinyourstyle. I also might be throwing one of my pieces out there for people to draw as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, then feel free to subscribe. I post art videos on Tuesdays and DIY videos on Thursdays. I also sell prints of my work on Society 6 and on InPrint, and links to those will be down below. These pieces I did today will not be for sale because they're other people's drawings that I just redrew, so it'd be kind of like silly for me to go turn around and sell them. But I do have other prints and stuff on there, so if you're interested, go check that out. You can follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, Twitch. All of those will be down below. Thank you guys for checking out my video, and I'll see you later this week. Bye!